Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Forgive the shaky cam today. I'm holding this with my phone. I left my gadget that holds this. As you can see, I'm in my What's Up, Good People shirt today in my hoodie. All right. Sorry about the hand, good people. I know somebody's going to say, Larry looks like Keenan Grace today. That's a compliment. Thank you. I'll take it. Just got through eating a powdered donut. So if you see a little something on the face, please forgive me. I think I got some right there. Y'all know we keep it real here. Listen, you see this hat. I'm going to talk about it later. I will be in New York a week from Monday, right? I will be in New York. It's a free event. I want you guys to come on out. That is in the area. I don't want anybody to go through any expense. Talk about that a little later. Let's talk about the market, and then we're going to tap on crypto for a minute, and I may come back this evening, right? Today is Sunday. It's a blessed day. It's another day that God woke you up in your right mind. So be thankful and give God some thanks. We're going to talk about that at the end. Listen, there's a couple of stocks that I am accumulating, and they are big tech stock, and they are getting beat down, right? They have been getting beat down, especially the last couple of weeks. And that is Tesla, and that is Apple. They've been suffering from the beatdown. I'm telling you guys, number one, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is I am accumulating. I'm accumulating Tesla at this point. I know other influencers say that they're not touching it. That's fine. I'm accumulating at small percentages. How small, Larry? Enough for me to go through this entire summer. That's what I'm doing, right? Because I got some hotter plays that I'm doing. Now, for those of you that know how to do options, what I do sometimes is I'll start DCAing in my long-term positions while I'm shorting the same stock. And that's what I've been kind of doing with Tesla, right? And so I'm preparing myself to make long-term money. And then the wins that I have from doing my put options, for those of you that don't know, that's when you make money based on a stock going down. I take the winnings from that and also put it into what? Into my long-term Tesla positions, okay? And I'm doing the same thing with Apple. So Apple and Tesla, I believe they're going to be beat down, but I believe they will both bottom out this year. I really do. That's what I believe, okay? I believe Tesla will bottom out this year. And I believe right after the election, they could get hit even worse. So we're going to see. You know, this is a may or may not. Just because, you know, we make a plan doesn't mean that it's going to work exactly that way. So that's why I set up a moat. I set up a hedge, okay? So let me know what you think about Tesla, and let me know what you think about Apple, right? But I also have two small cap growth stock that I'm DCAing in, and I don't care if they're red, and that's Palantir and SoFi. And we know that those were darlings. Palantir was a 2021 darling. These are low cap, very inexpensive, and I'm just buying. I'm buying every day now. And I don't care if they're red. As a matter of fact, I'm glad that they're red. A lot of people was asking me about, what do you think about Palantir? I'm glad it's red. So, and I hope it stays red all this year. That's what I'm sorry. I hope it stays red as long as it can, because I want to continue to accumulate. Because I personally believe within the next 18 months or so that could be a $100 stock. So let it be on sale as long as possible. Remember, when you're looking at long-term positions, and if you think that company is going to grow, then you want to accumulate when it's low and not chase like everyone else and be late to the party, right? So those are four stocks that are popular, that everybody knows about, that I am participating in. I'm letting you guys know right now. Yes, Tesla is just coming down. Come on down. It keeps coming down. But you guys know Tesla's going to do what it do, right? Tesla will be a $400 stock again. How long will that take? I don't know, but they're going to get through this. We know they got the issues with the Cybertruck, right? That's going to get fixed. We know that they didn't pay Elon his money. which they are now trying to fix that. And then he will get back to what he's supposed to be getting into, and that's deliveries and earnings, right? That's what we need, deliveries and earnings. And if he continues to really focus on making an affordable car, right, and coming out with some newer models, because it's getting old. Every Tesla looks alike. That's getting old. And these newer EVs are way more sexier now. And now they are starting to come down in price. They are going to also work on what? Mileage. How much mileage you get on a charge. And then they're also going to work on the speed in which it takes to charge it. So those things are going to get worked out. And when they do, you will realize 2 years from now that this was the year that you should have been, what? Accumulating, right? That's what I believe. I may be wrong, but that's what I believe. I like to tell you guys what I'm doing and exactly why. Now, let's go to crypto. We had what's called the halving. I'm not going to explain what the halving is. There will be a video that comes up in your upper right-hand corner, and it explains what the halving is. I do a great job. I go in depth, right? For those of you that have the class, Stock Up You already know. You was prepared for this, and you're prepared to make even more money. Make sure you look at the crypto chapter in its entirety. Yet again, I don't care if you consume one lesson per day. Make sure you go back and listen, reiterate everything that I said in that lesson, in that chapter. And I don't understand how you can't make money, right? We even show you how to set stop losses, swing trade, everything. We show you how to make money with crypto. That will be the top link below. Tonight, I'm going to talk about a little more of, probably tonight or tomorrow, Bitcoin dominance, and why I am more focused now on the altcoins rather than the meme coins. Now, I still have my meme coin positions, okay? But I got tight stop losses on them now, real tight stop losses. I raised my stop losses on my meme coins, and I'm going to start to go into the altcoins, because when Bitcoin dominance actually starts to lower its percentage, and I will explain that in a later video, then people will start to roll over into altcoins, and then the altcoins will start to explode and move faster than Bitcoin. Okay, so that's all tied into the Bitcoin dominance system and how these things take off. Usually Bitcoin takes off and then it cools off, and then the alt season starts, and then it cools off, and then the memes take off. This cycle, the memes they started out of the gate before the alts did, really. And so we're just going to monitor this system, and we're going to continue to make money, right? So I told you guys about this hat. I will be in New York, okay? For those of you that's in driving range, hour and a half max, you want to just come out and hang out. Stocks with Josh will be there. Keenan Grace will be there, but you have to register, okay? In the video before this, I just have a barcode. You can use your phone, snap the barcode, register, and it's all free. But it's not a Stock Squad event. It is a Moo event, okay? So just know that. It's a Moo event, all right? So govern yourselves accordingly. It'd be cool to have a few of you guys in the audience. And lastly, listen, you see this beautiful day, this beautiful sunny day? I'm about to get my eat on. And then head to the barber. That's why I got this hat on. And I just want you to know this. And I'm not gonna have a deep inspirational today on this video, maybe tonight. I just want to say this, and I love this saying. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Man, listen, it don't take much to get me happy. I kill it in the market. I make a lot of money with stocks and crypto. And I'm like, okay, it's just another Tuesday, right? Not that I'm haughty, but when you have money, different things bring you joy. Living here in the Midwest, you know what brings me joy? A nice sunny day. a nice fat breakfast, a nice sunny day with a warm cup of coffee. I'm like, you know, a Saturday morning when I get to sleep in late, it's the simple things, okay, that brings me joy, right? And so when you wake up in the morning, not just on Sunday mornings, but every morning, the first thing you need to do is give thanks. Give thanks to our Creator. Give thanks. You wake up and you say, thank you, Lord, for all your many wonderful blessings. And you say, thank you, God, for letting me wake up in my right mind. I'm thankful for the small things. And if you're thankful for the small things, God will bless you with bigger things. But you got to do the work. You got to do your due diligence. You got to study in the areas that you need to study for. Life is not easy. It's not handed to you, but just be thankful. There's a song from the 70s, diamonds in the back, sunroof top, dig in the seam with a gangster lean. Just be thankful for what you got, right? You guys know that song. If you know that song, leave me a coffee cup or a check. Leave me a check if you understand that song, man. And I used to walk down the street listening to that song, and I would get thankful, though, man, it was rough living in an 1,100 square foot house. And it was 9 of us, right? 9 kids, mother and father. And then my grandfather came to live with us with a one floor, 1 bathroom, all right? 2 bedrooms, okay? But I was thankful walking down the street with my hand-me-downs. So I'm challenging you to be thankful for what you got and do with what you have now. And what I mean by that is, if you want to help people, start with the $1 in your pocket. Start with the $25 in your pocket. Like God challenged me. I was like, oh God, please give me money. I want to help people. And God said to me, what about the money you got in your pocket now? And so I'm finna go in this restaurant, and I always, always, always bless my waitresses. I love to make people happy. Don't come asking me for no money, y'all, right? I ain't got no money for y'all. I got some advice. I had to say this. I got family members watching. All right. But I love to make people happy, and we have to take care of people in need. I'm going to do that to the day I die. Don't send me nothing. Listen, when you take care of God's people, God will take care of you. Believe me when I tell you. Trust me when I tell you. When you take care of God's people, God will take care of you. And I consider all of you guys God's people, and I try to take care of you to the best of my ability. So all I ask God for when I pray is long life and a healthy life. Give me peace of mind, wake me up in my right mind, and then give me health. And if I have those things, then I'm going to continue to be a blessing to you guys. But I challenge you guys to be a blessing to someone else with your finances, your time, and your talent, okay? And sharing this page, of course. Love you guys. We may see you tonight. Let's see what the market does. Live, love, laugh, and learn.